The Jamaica 4-H Clubs brings you a series aimed at sharing with you creative gardening concepts for your backyards. If you have backyard space, containers, a balcony in your apartment, or even a concrete roof, our friends at the 4-H will show you how to use your space creatively. Let's join our friends Dwayne and Demers as they take you through the steps of starting a healthy backyard garden.
Now I'll be showing you how we go about doing that. All right? First, we're going to place the stones at the bottom of your pot. The stone is used whereas for assist with drainage. Right? As you can see, right there, you see them at the bottom of the pot. All right?
I see where your pot also has
drainage holes.
Okay, right.
Right. That's for the drainage of water because you don't want the water to stay inside there and settle because then you will have rotting of the roots.
Okay, great.
All right?
Just want to know.
Okay. All right. So the first component that I'm going to be using or measured is the soil.
Okay, good.
So I'll be taking up 2 parts of this. All right? You mix it quite well.
So while you mix Demers,
Uh-huh.
tell us, so I'm at home and I want to make my potting mix like this. Do I mix it on the floor in my garage?
You can do that.
Where do I mix it?
You can do that if you have an old bench, you can do it on it. An old tabletop is what you see that we're using right here now.
Right.
Right? Or you can set up a stand and put a old piece of plyboard on top of it. Right? And that will be sufficient enough.
So still utilizing small space.
Still utilizing your small space, Sir Moody. Right? Okay.
So you incorporate everything
Right. It's all mixed there now.
and ready for the process.
Ready for the... I'm going to allow you to fill the pot. You be my guest.
Me?
Yes, Sir Moody.
All right, let me see if I'm any good at filling anything.
Yes, you... Sure.
So fine, you say you put the stones in the bottom of it
For drainage. Right. There you go.
You can stop me at any point and correct.
No, man. We're going to go right up.
All right.
Leave about 2 inches at the top
Why would I want to do that?
for your grip when you're lifting or moving. So you see how easy it is? Like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, like a cheese.
Okay. So we have more than enough of this.
Yes. When you're doing this, you don't just do exact because you know that there will be other containers to come for other things.
All right, great. So I think I'm through now.
Yeah?
So I've
Good.
got the space at the top,
Right. Good.
and I think I did a fairly good job at it. Eh?
Well done, man. Well done. Like you're well seasoned into this, Mr. Modi. You done this before?
Maybe in another line.
Okay. You also can use this. You can use that container. Fill it. Yes.
But there are no holes in this one.
Well, we can create holes and punch holes inside of it.
But you don't have to do it. But I'm just asking. So in the event I have this at home,
Yeah.
no holes in the bottom of it. What do I do?
You just bore your holes. Simple. Get your knife or a nail or something sharp edge and you can bore the bottom.
Okay.
Space at the top. Right?
Of course, I would believe when you water the plants as well to prevent the soil from
Overflowing. Right, right, right. So here we go. So we have for aesthetic value, you have your pot from your local store, or you can recycle your old water bottles from your home right there to do your containerized garden.
Again, making use of everything.
Everything.
Join us in the next episode to see what other concepts will be introduced. In the meantime, follow the Jamaica 4-H Clubs on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Remember, your food security is your best surety. Join us again as we continue to make the best better.